So here's something that's a little concerning for the commuters, everybody that's going to be on the road over the next week. Montgomery County's funds for dealing with the snow have basically dried up. I don't think that they have the funds or the manpower to clear everything up. I'm walking on the road here, and even just right on the road here, there's like about 2 feet of snow on the side here. The bulldozers had cleared up a little lane cutting through here, but it's not going to be enough. So I'm going to head over to Safeway. Safeway is supposed to close by about 3. I'm not sure if they're going to have any food left. The last storm that came through, I went over there and there were no eggs, no dairy. I mean, shipping has shut down on the Northeast Corridor at this point. So let's get a shot of this road. And even the surface that I'm walking on right now, it's already been packed down by the bulldozers, so it's almost like a sheet of ice with even more snow accumulating on it. It's gonna pack down even more. It's like driving on the glacier, or as Bear would put it, on the glacier. It's slippy. Slippy on the glacier. There's some pretty huge mountains over here outside of Safeway. So I figure I'll head over to Safeway, scrounge up what I can, and then hole up.